give a shout out to my man Jackson. He's eating turkey, but he's not having it right now. He's sad. He gets all pissed off. Yep, he doesn't smile.
Alright, well, I'll see you.
Come on, Brandon.
It already took 2 minutes and 7 seconds.
No, she took it.
Tell your mom she better call me in 2.5 hours.
She's got, I know. That's what I told Jake.
You sneeze like 20 times.
Tell your mom 2.5 hours.
She'll be in bed because she got to work tomorrow. He said.
She's gonna be in bed getting romantic with Doug.
He said in 2.5 hours. You better be calling him and wish him a happy birthday.
You guys again. You guys again. This is going on YouTube. Come on, Brandon.
That's good. Isn't it?
Hurry up!
I mean,
Not even watching Brandon sneeze. They're videotaping this.
Here he goes!
I don't like Bella.
Bella was just looking at you.
I don't like Bella.
Get off.
Oh, dang it. That's when you sneeze again. Come on, Brandon, sneeze a couple more times. Because I know once you sneeze once, you sneeze like 20 more times.
I did. You did. Beeps. You ain't got shit on me, dog. Really? Really?